Good morning. It's a huge day today. We're bringing Christine to get exhaust put on, so I've got about a 3-mile tow. We loaded her up last night. I used all my tokens with my spousal unit to get her to help me, and I'm out of tokens. I don't have any left. But anyway, we're bringing it over to Supreme Muffler, and that's about 3 miles away from where I'm at, and I can't wait to get there. They're going to put the exhaust in today, maybe a little bit tomorrow, but I'll have Christine back within 48 hours, so let's get to towing. Well, so far so good. It's rolling easy. Traffic's not horrible. School year is just starting, but anyway, it's it seems like it's going well so far, so hopefully we'll get there without incident. We made it. I mean, these roads are so super bumpy, it's just ridiculous. So I'm gonna see, I can't back this dolly up, so let's see how this goes. All right, we're here. Christine's off the trailer. She's back there. I got to bring this tow dolly back home, but Jay told me he's going to have this probably today. They're putting it on the rack just as soon as I leave, so I'm looking forward to it. Wish us luck. All right, we're at Supreme Muffler, and we're picking up Christine. Finally, it's been, I don't know how long, but Jay's only had it for like 2 days. I'm finally picking her up. It's Friday afternoon, late in the afternoon. Tomorrow, hopefully we get her running, but anyway. Here's Jay.
Hey, what's up, guys?
Jay's a good guy. Back when I had my 71 Cutlass, and my 71 Cutlass had to have AC work, and I had a not a vintage Air, I had old Air, and Jay was the one that did the AC work. He did the he vacuumed the system, he charged it, he got it done. But now we got Christine outside, and now I got to get her home. So I got to load her up on Christine. load her up on the trailer, and away we go. But anyway, so Jay here at Supreme Muffler. If you ever need anything here in the Gulf South area, this is the place to come. So anyway, hope to see you here. If not, let's get her loaded up and we're done. Here we go. All right, well, we're just about to leave. Christine's got a new exhaust. We're ready to go. Got it pulled up on a dolly. Hopefully. Hopefully she'll hold true. Gotta lash her down. So let's tow her home. We're on our way. 10 minutes to home. Hopefully we'll make it. Here we go. All right, Christine's behind me. She's back there. Hope you can see her. We're towing home. Almost there. So man, just a few more blocks. Here we go. Well, good morning. We got Christine back last night. I got her unloaded. Everything came out just fine. That tow dolly, man, that's twice now. I towed it there, and the mesh that goes over the front wheels, one of the meshes came off on the way over there. And then on the way home, both of them came off. And the only thing holding Christine on was a chain. I don't know. I will never rent one of those dollies again. I don't care if they're cheaper, lower, easier, whatever. It's just not worth it. So just go with the trailer. But let's take a look at the job that Supreme Muffler did on this exhaust. So I climbed underneath to get a better look, pulled it in the garage, and you can see I want to show all the work. So they manufactured that collector from a flare. They flared out the end of a 90. They bent a 90-degree, flared it, and then welded the flange on it. That's on the passenger side. Similarly on the driver's side. And then look at these bends. That looks great. That looks really good. On this side, on the passenger side. And you can see way back there, I'm going to get up underneath the side, and you can see all the work, but you can see the long runs going down. How they bent underneath the transmission horns, and then picked it back up, ran parallel with the frame rail all the way back, and then picked it up where the mufflers need to go. So we're going to climb in the back in a second. So let's get underneath the side and see it. Looking back towards the front, but this is where the Flowmasters are. These are Flowmaster 40s. Pan back so you can see it. And they welded the inlets. They welded the outlet. Light on it. Look at the bracket. So you see how they did the hanger? That hanger wasn't on that frame. So we put that hanger on it. and then of course up and over the rear drive axle. So here comes a little bit of a spoiler alert. I'm actually way ahead with my videos, and so I'm doing this as I'm publishing this video. I'm actually a little further along than what this video is indicating. So stay tuned for this. Hang on. How you like that? Let's wrap this up. Well, for the regulars of my channel, it was a bit of a spoiler. So we got the exhaust taken care of. That was from Supreme Automotive, and they did a great job. Really happy with it. So the next video you'll see, we'll be trying to get this motor ready to start. But anyway, I do hope you liked this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. And as always, if you enjoy my channel, I'd love a subscription. So until I see you next time, please take care of yourself. Cheers.